Hey guys, and this is the part 2 of the mail time, and I did get 2 extra gifts, which is pretty nice. So, shout out to VIP Backup 10, shout out to Mint XJ, shout out to Snow White 16 Loud, shout out to Wolfie XX. Shout out to the Spicy Radish 17. Shout out to I'm Crazy with an E and the H at the end. Shout out to I space Azara space I. Shout out to It's Random with a Z here. Shout out to Josina space II. Shout out to K space A space I space T space L space N, which is Caitlin. Shout out to Lil space Misty 23. Shout out to XX Panda Sapphire XX. Shout out to Candy space is space so space sweet space X3. Shout out to Black Misty Girl. Shout out to XX Layla XX Backup. Shout out to Darky Queen XOX. Shout out to Blake 37001. Shout out to Lovely Jake 17. Shout out to parenthesis Hello Ash parenthesis, and that's it. Oh, and also shout out to Cool Kid XXX 24426, since he said he would give me a shout out on his YouTube channel. And his YouTube channel is Emina Jusic. And sorry if I pronounced that wrong, but it's right here. So go subscribe to him as well. And oh yeah, and I have to pick the random winner too. So let me just do this. Alright, so I'll choose from here. Oh, it's down here. Wins. Oh, God. And still trying to find a page. Alright, I'll just choose from here. Alright, you win. Bruh. Whatever. Alright, time to choose a new winner, so whatever. So. Alright. Wait, hold on. You win. Alright, so she wins the wish listing. Alright, she does have some things, so I'll give her this. Alright, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See you soon, my dark wolves.